What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break Canal. We're getting ready for our big raz here. Chase Gray tie-in jersey and McDavid Mania box. Top two get the pick. First one gets the pick. Second one gets the leftovers. There's certainly no loser here with the top two picks. So live. Good luck. Here is the time, 9:04. And here's your list. Tristan down to Brennan, guys. Good luck. 4 randoms. 1, 2, 3. This is timestamp. Timestamp on 3. We're looking for top two. 9:05. 9:05. Last and final top two. Spot 8 and spot 2. We got Jake and Chad. Congrats, guys. Let's get your last and final timestamp. Last and final timestamp says 9:05 and 9:05 it is. So spot 8 and spot 2. Congrats, guys. Jake, you're picking. Chad, you're getting the leftovers. Thanks again, folks.